Hi guys, this is Heather from SA Mom Blogs, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the GroClock, which is this very handy clock from the Grow company. And this is quite a useful thing for your, whoopsie, I think I pulled the cord out by mistake. Let me just put it back in. This is quite a useful device to get your toddler to sleep. It also has an afternoon nap function, also for your older child. And I've got a 6-year-old that keeps waking up at 4 a.m. so this is what I'm using to show him we've still got 2 more stars left and you need to sleep. So that's what I'm working on with him at the moment. At the moment, this clock is stuck on the time. You can't see so well because of all the reflection, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the screen, pressing these buttons at the bottom. You'll see there's like a cursor goes up and down, and then there's sort of an enter button on the side. So we're just going to go up and down to get to there's the sun. Okay, we're just going to get to the menu. That's where I want to go, to the menu. I'm just going to show you something, all these blinking lights. The top one is for setting the clock. The star is for when you're setting what time you want him to wake up in the next morning. The sun is for the afternoon nap. Alarm is if you actually want to put an alarm in, and the electric light is for the brightness, which is quite useful. I'll just show you the brightness. So I'm going to press the enter button, and just to get everything to stop flashing. And now it's on the clock, and I'm going to go down. I just want to get to that electric light for the brightness. I'm going to press enter. Okay, so at the moment it's on 4, which is fine. We initially had number 10, which is way too bright, so just going to enter there. It seems to be fine. Okay, now let's go back to the menu. Right, so let's go to the menu. Press enter to get everything to stop flashing. And we're going to scroll to the star. Right, so we got the star. We press enter. And we're going to set the time that you want this kid to wake up. So I'm just going to set 6:15. So enter on 6, and you can go up and down 15 and AM, enter. And right, we're back there. You're going to go down to there. Now, once you've got the sun and the flashing star, you press enter. And then he goes to sleep, and you'll see it becomes a night scene with all the stars. And basically the stars are going to count down the hours for when he's got to wake up again. Okay. So basically that's the GroClock. A really super addition to getting to sleep problems for your toddler, and also really good to explain the concept of time and the elapsing of hours and that sort of thing, just teaching young kids about time, and the digital clock as well. And you could use it as an alarm for an older child as well. So it's quite a useful device, and oopsie. And it's really good for helping get your kid to sleep, and for the adults to have a good night's sleep, which is the most important, because we just cannot function without our sleep. Thank you very much for listening.